Hi, it's Mama Mo from Kusina ni MonCesca. You got me. I was going to taste our Ube Halaya that I made myself. And welcome to another episode of Home Cooking Recipes. Today we're going to make Ube Halaya. Really tastes good when you make it yourself. So I want to teach you how to make this. It's really easy, so come and join me. These are the ingredients we're going to need to make Ube Halaya. Frozen ube or purple yam, half a cup of evaporated milk, and about a teaspoon of ube flavoring. This is the first time I am trying Butterfly brand. Half a cup of sugar and a can of condensed milk. Empty the purple yam into the pan, then add the milk. Also the condensed milk. I usually do this before I put the whole pan into the fire, so I can mix it up properly. Just mix the milk and the grated yam, and now you're ready to put it over the fire. Cook the ube in the milk over low heat and just keep on stirring so it won't stick to the bottom of your pan. Once it begins to boil, you can add the sugar. The color of the ube isn't very dark, so I'm going to add a little bit of ube flavoring. So 1 teaspoon of the Butterfly ube flavoring is turning the mixture darker. It's a nice purple color. So how do you know when the ube is done? Little explosions like my volcano, then your ube is done. I transferred the ube into a glass container and I'm going to let it cool before I cover it. So this is going to make a lot of ube pandesal and other goodies. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Please like, subscribe and share.